What is going on, guys? Found this pretty neat spot right on the creek here. As you can see, the road is right here. This looks like an awesome spot maybe in the fall to do some camping. There's really no place for a fire, but we probably could. But across the creek right here, we could probably do a little fire. And I know upstream is where the trout are. We're going to be fishing downstream. There's a couple big holes down here. So I'm going to get my gear together, wade down the creek a little bit, and hopefully we'll get on some bass this morning. I'm actually going to be bringing 2 rods with me. It's kind of a mistake. I don't usually like doing that. It's harder to wade and cast when you have 2 rods. I wanted to try to get on some fish with Ultralight. I'm going to show you real quick what I'm going to try. This right here is the lure we're going to try. This is a small little swim bait. It's a 3-inch swim bait. The color of it is electric shad. It's a very natural presentation. So like I said, let me get my gear and then we'll meet you on the water. As you can see, we got the creek right here. Very low. We did get some rain finally last day or two. Let's follow this path. As you can see, the main road is right here. That's the only problem with this spot, but definitely gonna do some camping here in the fall. But yeah, let's follow this down. Like I said, there's a big opening down here. I fished this once or twice before down here in the kayak, but with the creek being low, we should be able to fish it by wading. So yeah, the creek, I want to go upstream here, or it splits and there's a big deep hole. I'll show you over here. Never knew this little trail was here. You know, let's get down in the water here. Oh yeah, very cool. Oh wow, look at all the fog. Tons of fog on the water this morning. Actually, let's cross and get on that side. That water's freezing. It's gotta be probably in the high 50s this morning. We've been getting cold mornings, like I said in the last video. But it's been getting like in the 70s during the day and down in like most of the nights of last week at 50s. But the week before that was getting down in the 40s. So it's really cooling down this water temp. Won't be long, we'll be doing some trout fishing. Can't wait for that. So if your thing is trout fishing, definitely subscribe. Once the fall season starts, it's all trout. Fall, winter. I'll be out here waiting when it's 15, 20 degrees, guys. Catching fish. Show you real quick here, guys. So we got some, this is for my medium setup. I got 2 packs of the bluegrass bugs. That's the lure I used last video. Here they are. Yeah, right here. 3-inch easy shiner. And we're just going to try it. Start with the 1/16 ounce jig head here. Let's see. Probably could go 132 maybe, but let's try this first. Yeah, the only thing you want to do with these swim baits, guys, is make sure it's straight. If the hook is off center, you're not going to get the right swim action on these. And then like always, all my swim baits I have tied with a loop knot here. Alright, so it's shallow right through here. Drops off over here. Very muddy on this side of the creek. Alright, nothing there, guys. We're gonna actually move upstream where this creek splits up here. We're gonna come back here. Might be the same situation as last video where I got here earlier in the morning and the water temperature's pretty cool. And then when sun came out later in the day, it warmed up the water, and these fish really got turned on. So, but like I said, I'm gonna head upstream and explore that because I've never fished that before and see what we could do. See what it looks like on the other side of this log here. This could be a spot. You know it is. There's a fish. What do we got? Something small. Oh my god, a little baby bass. Look at him. Right, at least we know there's fish there. Something bigger? Oh, there's another one. They're stacked there, guys. Little bass. Oh, we can't. Oh no, he's still on. Whoa! Don't rip me off. Whoa! He's going under the log. Actually, this ain't a bad fish. Whoa! 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 All right, come over here. It's not a bad little. Oh no! 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 You're gonna rip me off. See what he's trying to do? Not a bad little bass. I'll take it. Yeah, not bad. See, dude? 2 casts, 2 fish in that hole there. Here's a fish. Little guy. He's trying to go under that log. Come here. Tiny little bass. He's little. But that's 3 out of this hole here. All 3 of those fish are in that slacked water over there, guys. That's what you want to look for in these current areas. That one wasn't, though. He was in the current. He's small. But yeah, anywhere there's current breaks around current. See, dude. See, right on that shoreline. Let's see. See? See what I'm saying? Ooh, this ain't bad. This ain't a bad fish. There goes my lure. That's what I'm. Oh, get out! Get away from that branch. And this ultralight. This fish isn't that big, but makes it a lot of fun. That's why I love fishing ultralight for bass. Ooh, there we go. We got him. Got him in the net. Yeah, look at that. Another nice healthy bass here in the local creek. All right, we're all rigged back up here. Lost that swim bait. There's one. Man, this place is stacked with them. They're all pretty small, but oop. That's 5 fish in this hole, guys. Number 6. Seems hard to tell when they're swimming at you. They all try to go under this log right here. That's their instinct. And get off the lure. All right. Little guy. All right, that's 6 fish out of that hole right there. They're all pretty small. I did manage to catch 1 or 2 that weren't too bad. Fun fights on the ultralight. But I'm going to keep moving upstream here and try to find some more holes just like that. Alright guys, so I came to this spot here. We have 2 little streams coming through here. And we got some current. So I'm going to make my way over on this side. Let's see how deep it is. I don't know how much farther I want to go down today. Probably just gonna fish this hole and head back to where I started. Not sure how deep it is. First cast is a snag. That's not good. Yeah, shallow. Let's try this pocket over here, I guess. Oh, this is pretty neat, though. Let's see what we got. But yeah, you can see the creek is dried up there. A lot of the fish that are up there could be stacked right here. Yeah, right in that current, guys. What is this? Is that a bass? It's a good fish. Either that or he's in the current. It's one of the 2. What is that? Is that a bass or a trout? It's not fighting like a trout, though. It's fighting like a bass. Guys, I don't even think this fish is that big. The way this little guy fought. Yeah. He's not even that big, guys. But he didn't want to be caught. Nice bass. I have a feeling there's going to be more there. Like I said, we have the current coming through here. I'm not sure how deep it is on the other side of the current here, on the right side, or the far side. But as soon as the lure hit that current is when he hit it. So we're going to cast it past the current. See if there's more there. Yep. See what I mean, guys? Just knowing where these fish are definitely helps. Yeah, baby. This one's fighting crazy good too. It's probably going to be around the same size. That's a good bass, guys. That is a good fish. My God, yeah, that's a good fish on ultralight. I will take it. Yeah. Yeah, that one's about 13 inches. Let's see, I can kind of measure. Yeah, he's about maybe 14. Yeah, thanks for the bite, buddy. Let's try that again. Guys, 3 casts in a row, and we got a fish. Oh my God! Did you see that jump? He just jumped about 3 feet out of the water, guys. So much fun, baby. So much fun. This is a good fish. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Look at that fish. That's what we came here for. To catch creek smallies just like this. That is a beautiful, beautiful fish. Fights hard. These fish are definitely warmer right through here than they were downstream. All right. A 3-inch easy shiner is definitely doing the job. Can we get 4 for 4? Where's that 4 for 4? I don't even know. Not that time. Yeah, that's because my lure's all messed up here. Ooh, I got bit. I did get bit. You're right in the current there. As soon as you hit that current, guys, that's where the fish are. Every single one in this spot. Look at this. Pull and drag. Wow. Look at that. So these fish are so powerful in these creeks and river systems. All right, we got him in the net, guys. There's another one about the same size as that last one. Look at how healthy these fish are. Tons and tons of minnows these are feeding on. There's a lot of crawfish in here, hellgrammites. Yeah, look at that fish. Thank you for the bite, pal. There's a fish. Small one. Here's in the shallower water there. Little guy here. There's one. Well, that one was over there in that slacked water, wasn't it? This one wasn't even in the current. It's fighting so good. There we go. Yeah. This one's about 11. Not very big, but he fought really good. He was like right in the slacked water there. There's like a down branch right there, tree or whatever. There's just so many fish stacked up here. Just want to explore up through here a little bit before we call it a day. I'm definitely going to be coming back to this spot. Can't believe I've never fished this spot before. Yeah, look at this. We got islands everywhere. Should we see? Let's throw here. Maybe there could be a trout. Just want to see what this looks like up here. Oh yeah, I just got hit. Just got hit first cast right there. There's a down tree. He didn't get the hook. I know he didn't. God, this spot is awesome. There's one. Oh, he came out. That wasn't a bass. That could easily have been a trout. He's definitely not going to hit again. He definitely got hooked. There's a fish. Right by that down tree. Oops, sorry, dude. Oh man, look at this. Rocks, deep holes. There's another one, guys. It's just loaded with fish. Ooh, that's a good fish. Oh, he came off. Guys, that was the biggest fish of the day if I landed him. Darn. That was a big fish, a big bass. There's a fish. Here's right across on the other shoreline there. Come here. I think we're going to end it on this one. I got a lot of hiking to do to get back, but not a bad fish to end the trip though. See you, buddy. So that's going to do it. Made it back here to my truck. If you guys want to have some fun with ultralight catching these smallmouths, pick yourself up some of these Keitechs. And I probably wouldn't put them anything heavier than a 1/16 ounce. I would go 132 to up to a 1/16. I wouldn't use anything above that because then you're not going to get the same action. Unless you're fishing a really strong current. But if you're fishing in a creek with a few feet of water, that would be the perfect setup. Probably in the next month or so, I will be camping on this spot. Probably going to detour this creek farther up than where I did. I could have caught 20 more fish if I stayed out here. And if you like these videos, please like, share, comment. That way we can push these videos out to more people. Thank you, and have a great day.